continually?
Are you doing it? I want to take a
How long have you had him?
About 4 months.
Oh man, I wouldn't be able to.
This is Sarah, and she's had hiccups for 4 months straight. If I'm already on YouTube, then you know me. I was crying, saying how much, like, it's dangerous and everything. Seriously, I was talking about how dangerous it was. And they were sitting there laughing their butts off, the guys who were recording it. I'm getting hit in the head.
How's it dangerous?
I don't know, I was just trying to, make him feel guilty for videoing me. I'm funny!
I think I have them now. Are they contagious?
No, I don't think so.